Begin by disconnecting power by unplugging the electrical cord or turning the breaker to the off position. Remove water pressure and disconnect the water line. Next, using a flat blade screwdriver, remove the blue buckle from the water connector. Press the inner collar fitting firmly downward against the connector to remove the hose. Using a Phillips screwdriver, remove the screws to remove the back panel. Remove the wire harness securing screw. Unplug the wire harness by depressing the locking tab and separating. Remove the channel cover by removing the screws. Remove the channel securing bracket with a Phillips screwdriver. Free the wire harness from the channel for proper removal. To allow easier repair access, remove the upper hinge screw and remove the door. Using a small Phillips screwdriver, remove the 3 screws from the bottom of the mold assembly. Remove the 3 sidewall screws and support bracket. Use caution not to damage the evaporator coils. Carefully, using a plastic scraper, separate the ice-making assembly from the evaporator. Remove the wire harness and plug. Clean any residual compound off the surface of the evaporator. Remove the backing material from the silicone sheet and apply it to the new Icemaker assembly. Mark the 3 screw holes for mounting reference. Route the new wire harness through the rear bulkhead. From the back of the unit, reinstall the cold control sensing tube. Align this with the channel in the new ice-making assembly. Reinstall the support brackets and screws into the side casing. Reuse the sealing putty to help insulate. Route the wiring harness and reconnect the plug. Reinstall the cover plate and grill.